Welcome to another GL Communications product demonstration video. This is a continuation of our PacketExpert series, which is our hardware platform for advanced Ethernet and IP testing. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use 6 PacketExperts simultaneously by placing them in a 2U rack enclosure. PacketExpert contains many industry-standard testing modules. By default, PacketExpert includes bit error rate testing capabilities, Loopback mode functionality, and RFC 2544 testing. PacketExpert also has many optional modules. For more information, please see our previous videos. PacketExpert can come in either portable units or as a 1U or 2U rack enclosure. 1U can hold up to 3 PacketExpert devices. 2U can hold up to 6 PacketExpert devices. The rack enclosure contains a single board computer which controls all the PacketExpert devices via USB connections. The rack contains HDMI, USB, and Ethernet ports for both local and remote access via Remote Desktop Protocol. The SBC is a Windows 10 Pro 64-bit OS. In this video, we will connect 6 PacketExperts in a 2U rack to a 24-port 1 gigabit per second Ethernet switch. We will then show how to run a bit error rate test with 1 gigabit per second full duplex traffic on all 24 ports simultaneously and observe the resulting performance of the switch.
This is the PacketExpert graphical user interface. From the application drop-down menu, select All Port BERT. For each port on each PacketExpert device, you can view the link status and set the MAC and IP address information. Then, click on TX configuration to set the parameters for the bit error rate test. For the layer tab, select Ethernet for layer 2 and leave the other layers set to none, since we will only send Ethernet frames through the switch. Click on the MAC tab to set the source and destination MAC address, length type values, and other information. Do this for all ports. Click on the BERT tab to set the bit error rate pattern. Click on the Traffic tab to set the frame size and data rate. Under the Devices drop-down, please configure the BERT test parameters for all 6 PacketExpert devices. To save the settings, click on Save All Port BERT Configuration File As. Then, name the file and click Save. For the future, you can open this file by clicking on Load All Port BERT Configuration File. You will be able to run the BERT test for each device all at the same time. Now, click on All Ports to see the results. You can run the bit error rate test on each device by control-click on the BERT label under each port and click Start to begin the BERT test for that device. Green LEDs indicate that all ports are receiving traffic and that the bit streams are synchronized and there are no bit errors or out-of-sequence packets. You can also graph the throughput for each port. Time is the independent variable and throughput is the dependent variable. Bit errors, if any, will also be displayed on the graph. Repeat this for all 6 PacketExpert devices. Here is an example of the switch failing the bit error rate test. Run the bit error rate test by control-clicking on BERT labels and click Start. We now see the LEDs turn red then yellow. Red indicates that there are currently bit errors present. Yellow indicates that a bit error was observed in the past. We can also see this in the graph. The red circles represent bit errors. Also note that in this case, the throughput is periodically dropping to 0. Finally, you can double-click on Reports and export the report in PDF or CSV file format. Thank you for watching. To learn more about PacketExpert or any of our other testing platforms, please contact us. We will look forward to hearing from you.